Well, the old girl is still here at this truck stop in Virginia, so I'm gonna walk around here and slip the camera around and we're gonna see what we got going on here. There she be. We're gonna get all our stuff out of there. Here she sounds pretty bad. Still got some oil pressure though, actually more than she usually does idling. So I'm gonna just start pulling everything out here and yeah, and then eventually hopefully get this thing and get it the hell out of here sometime this week or next week. So I'm just gonna probably add this into the little trip video I got going on. So I'll probably just shoot this up there real quick. Just to update. I had to put something out because I gotta edit all the video and everything I got. So I guess the batteries didn't get stolen. None of the tires got stolen. So I guess that's good. So I'll update everybody here in a little bit.